Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss another topic, that is data types in Java. What is data? Data is like a information of something. Data means a information. This is a data. This is a data. B, name. This is all are the data. Types mean these data types. Types mean types are in two types in Java. That are the first one, that is called the primitive data type, and the second one is the composite data type. So data types means this data is based on which type. This is a number, this is a character, and this is a letter. So which type is belongs to this data? So first one, that is the primitive data type. Primitive data type means that is primitive means predefined. That means when Java was created on that time, the primitive data type was created. Okay, the primitive data type, some examples that are: number 1, that is integer, number 2, float, 3, character, 4, byte, 5, short, long, number 6, number 7, double, and the number 8, boolean. This is the primitive data types. Example that are the integer, short, float, long, character, double, byte, boolean. These are the 8 example. Integer means, in the previous I wrote here that 5 is the integer data type. Character A, B, both are the character data type. So here we can write another, that is called the name is the character. Float means 5.0, that is the float. 7.9, that is the float. Boolean means the two option here, that is yes or no. This is the boolean part. If we write an example using the primitive data type, that is Java program that is based on the primitive data type, that is the class name, public static void main string argument, integer a is equal to 5, integer b is equal to 6, int c is equal to a plus b, system.out.println, the addition of two number is c plus c. This is a basic example using the primitive data type, that is the two different variable that we declare a and b, the two different data we declare using the data type, that is int. Int means the integer, and the value is 5 and the number 1 is 6. So in C is equal to a plus b, just an addition program using two number, and we use the primitive data type also. So this is the basic of primitive data type. Now we can analyze about the composite data type. Composite data type are three types, that are: the number 1 is string, the number 2 is array, and the number 3 is class. Okay, class is also a composite data type. Composite data type means that are created by a user. It is also a user defined data type. User can create this data type, user defined data type. Because of the user can create this data type as per user requirement. So it is called a composite data type as well as the user defined data type, that are the string, array, and the class. Now we can see the difference between the primitive data type and the composite data type. That are, first one, that is the primitive data type. These are inbuilt data type provided by the Java language. Inbuilt data type means that I told before that primitive data type is a predefined data type, and it is also inbuilt. That means when Java was created, on that time the primitive data type was also created. So the another one, that is the composite data type. It is provided by the user. That is the main important part. The user is created this type of composite data type or a user defined data type. So the second point of the difference, that is the size of it is the fixed and it is different size. These data types are available in the part of program within a class, and these data types are available only the access specifier. Now I can write here the important question from this part that helps you for your exam. The important question number 1, what is primitive data type and composite data type? Number 2, difference between both of them. Number 3, example of primitive and composite data type. So these 3 questions is very much important for your school exam as well as your board exam. If you really love this video, please like it and share with your friends and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.